Welcome back, guys! And today, I'm going to be trying something new. We're going to be playing Five Nights at Freddy's 4. Hooray! Hooray! Yeah! I heard all y'all laughing. I'm not laughing. Applauding, yeah. Okay, so let's just jump on into it. And I hope I don't get scared to death. Oh, God. I'm already scared, guys. New game. Night 1. Oh, God, I'm scared. I am so scared. Oh, God, I don't want to turn... Oh, God. God. Guys, this is my first time playing this game, and I'm not liking it. I'm scared. Well, they're doing it good. Oh, God. Please, no. God. Guys, I hope y'all not as, I hope y'all as scared as I am right now. Don't think I'm a baby. I'm turning it all the way up. I'm a baby. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared, guys. Oh, God. Please, no. Why in the world? Why am I playing this game, guys? I'm out of my mind. There's somebody behind me. Dang it. God. God. Guys, I'm scared, guys. God, I'm here. I'm scared. God, I'm gonna poop in my pants. Oh, God. Please, no, I'm scared, guys. This is like the scariest one to me because you're in your house and you're a little kid. God, please, guys. I'm gonna freak out. I'm gonna freak out, guys. Oh, God. Why am I so scared? What was that? Okay. How'd they even get in my house? No. I need some music in here. Not the creepy kind. Not the creepy kind. Oh, God. Please, no. Oh, God. Oh, God, please. I'm sweating my butt. Oh, God. Please. If y'all could be in my position right now, you'd be pooping your pants. I hate this game. Why am I playing this game? God. Please, no. Oh, God. I am sweating. I am sweating my butt off. Oh, God. God. Please, no. 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 God. Guys, it's 4 a.m. God, I'm scared. Oh, God. Oh, God, my God. Oh, tap that button. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. I don't... Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my God. I'm scared. Smell behind. God. I'm going to freak out. I'm going to pull up pants. No. That room scares me like it's the worst. And please, guys, tell me in the comments below how bad you think I did in this game, because I'm about to die, and I don't want to die when I'm... God, no, no. Please, God, no. Wait, turn around, please. I hate this guy. No, was that Bonnie or something? Was that Nightmare Freddy? Who was that? God, please. No. God. No, please go. Oh my God. Please, no. God, I'm scared. I'm sweating my butt off and I'm freaked out. Why am I so scared, guys? God. Thank God. Oh my God. I'm sweating all over. Fun with push trap. What are you supposed to do? This is freaky. What are you supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I'm just gonna push this. Tap harder! I'm not letting them get up. They're gonna be blind. Oh God, please no. Am I supposed to just stare at him? What am I supposed to do? I should have read that screen. I was supposed to read that screen. Oh God, please no. Am I supposed to just stare at him? Like, hello, I like to watch you in your sleep. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I'm sweating all over. And I have the volume up full blast. Oh God. No. Please no. Too bad. Night 2. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop it right here because I have like, wait, how much recording time do I have? 8 minutes. Okay, guys, thank you for tuning in. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.